Hello, good morning. Good morning, students. This is the fourth class, maths class. Measurement of length is our new lesson. Okay. Yesterday we completed the lesson areas and perimeters, right? Now we are starting new lesson measurement of length. How we'll measure the length? Length we are measuring length means which are the like wall we have to measure. We have to measure our table. We have to measure our many things like bench we have to measure. So these are all the measurements. All the measures we need some instruments, like right? What are the instrument we needed? We needed the instrument like tape, scale. We use all these things. Do you saw those are constructing buildings? How they are constructing walls and all? They have a specific tape, right? Big type of round tape they have. They are keeping one edge one side and dragging down, right? There we will see the measurements on that. So length measures are we are measuring length in the meters. Okay, commonly we are using meters, kilometers, centimeters, millimeters. Okay, kilometers where we are finding kilometers to measure the largest distance, like largest distance such as Hyderabad to Pune we have to go, yeah, we have to go Hyderabad to Delhi. These are all the while you are traveling on the road, you will find some pillars like small stones, yellow type paint it was written, right? There what you will see some measurement they will write no 12 kilometers, 10 kilometers, right? The same here we are using kilometers for measuring largest distance. Okay, now meters where we are measuring to measure our clothes. So we are not using kilometers. Okay, our shopkeeper will give you the only meter scale he will use and he will measure, right? Do you saw any time, do you purchase the clothes and all? When you go to shop, what he will do, he will measure the tape, no, he will take the tape and he will measure the cloth, right? So this is the meters, what we are saying, meters. So then where we will find centimeters, where we will find centimeters we will find in where we will find centimeters in smallest length, to measure the smallest length like pencil, scale. These things we have to measure. So such time we will use the measuring scales. Then where we will find millimeters, we will find the millimeters to measure our small, very smaller length, like our goldsmith will measure, right? Small bindis also we will measure, yeah, small type of little small things we will measure in the millimeters. Okay, now see what are the units we have in the length. Kilometers, hectometer, you say kilometer, HM means hectometer, DAM is there, no, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. You read with me now. Kilometers, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. Okay, again read. Kilometer is the largest unit in the kilometers. A part of the kilometers we don't have larger units, right? Kilometer is a very big unit, right? So kilometer after bigger is hectometer, HM, hectometer. Next is DAM is decameter. Okay, decameter, then meter. Next is the decimeter, centimeter, millimeters. Millimeter, very small unit. Okay, now conversion conversion, how we will convert? We can convert bigger unit to the smaller unit, okay, then smaller unit to the bigger units, okay. In this class excuse me, we will find here a bigger unit to the smaller units. How we will convert bigger unit to the smaller? What is our bigger unit? Kilometer is the biggest unit, right? We are converting into meters. So how we are multiplying, okay. When we are multiplying smaller unit to the bigger unit to the smaller unit, kilometer is the bigger or smaller? Kilometer unit is bigger unit or smaller unit? Bigger unit. Millimeter smaller. So kilometers, meter also smaller only, right? So किलोमीटर मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो उससे क्या करेंगे हम लोग? मल्टीप्लाई करते है ना, वी विल मल्टीप्लाई एंड वी विल कन्वर्ट, ओके. देन मीटर से भी सेंटीमीटर. अब ये दोनों देखिए, मीटर सेंटीमीटर 2 यूनिट्स हैं, ठीक है. उसमें मीटर कैसा कन्वर्ट करते? 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करके कन्वर्ट करते, ठीक है. सेंटीमीटर्स मिलीमीटर्स 2 यूनिट्स है, ठीक है. ये दोनों को कैसा कन्वर्ट करते? नाउ विल सी हियर इज द ग्राफ. सी आई विल शो यू वेरी क्लियरली हियर इज द ग्राफ, राइट. किलोमीटर्स, नेक्स्ट हेक्टोमीटर, डेकामीटर, सबसे छोटा कौन है? मिलीमीटर्स, ठीक है. मिलीमीटर से बड़ा सेंटीमीटर, सेंटीमीटर डेसीमीटर, डेसीमीटर, मीटर, डेकामीटर, हेक्टोमीटर, देन किलोमीटर्स, ओके. नाउ कन्वर्शन. अभी कन्वर्शन किसे बोलते हैं? हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? किलोमीटर्स है ना, ये किलोमीटर्स को हम लोग ये किलोमीटर्स को हम लोग मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं. हम लोग मीटर्स किलोमीटर्स में नहीं होना है, किलोमीटर्स के यूनिट हम लोग ना छोटे वैल्यू में कन्वर्ट करना सोच रहे. तो उसके लिए क्या करना है हम लोगों को? वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ 1000, ओके. नाउ आई वांट बोथ आर द स्मॉल यूनिट, meters, centimeters, both are the small unit, right? Both are the small. Now I want to convert. मीटर सेंटीमीटर दोनों भी छोटे ही हैं, मगर मीटर जो है सो सेंटीमीटर से बहुत बड़ा है, तो उसमें कन्वर्ट करना है. मीटर में से सेंटीमीटर को कन्वर्ट कर सकते. 1 मीटर में कितने सेंटीमीटर्स रहते? 100 सेंटीमीटर्स रहते. तो इंटू 100 डाल के उसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है, ठीक है. और सेंटीमीटर से सेंटीमीटर, मिलीमीटर दोनों भी छोटे ही वैल्यूज है, मगर जब दोनों को कंपेयर करें तो सेंटीमीटर से भी मिलीमीटर बहुत ही छोटा है. इसीलिए सेंटीमीटर से मिलीमीटर कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है अपने को. अभी देखिए यहाँ पे कन्वर्शन के प्रॉब्लम्स करेंगे, ओके. सी हियर, ओके. kilometers to millimeter, okay. Try to understand, not understand so ask me, okay. 1 kilometer is equal to how many meters are there? 1000 meters are there. 1 किलोमीटर में कितने मीटर्स है? उसमें 1000 छोटे छोटे मीटर्स 1000 है, ठीक है. पूरे मिला के 1000 हो रहा, ठीक है. इसीलिए हम लोग 8 किलोमीटर्स को, उल्टा दिख रहा नहीं, सीधा दिख रहा, ठीक है. सो 8 किलोमीटर्स है, 8 किलोमीटर्स है. 8 इंटू 1 किलोमीटर, चलो ये सही रहता, वहाँ पे अच्छा है. अच्छा 8 किलोमीटर्स है ना. 8 इंटू 1 किलोमीटर, 8 1 जा 8, तो 8 किलोमीटर बस हो गया, ठीक है. यू लीव इट, दिख रहा ना, बस है. कितना 20 मिनट्स लेना है ना अपने को. चलो 10 मिनट्स. हाँ, 8 into 1 kilometer is equal to 100 meters. Right? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters है. तो 1 किलोमीटर के प्लेस में किसे सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हैं? 1000 को लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. ठीक है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ लिख लिए. जब 8 into 1000 इज 8000 मीटर्स. ठीक है, समझ में है आपको? अब नेक्स्ट दूसरा वाला. बस ऐसे रख देंगे. ठीक है. 12 किलोमीटर्स है. 12 किलोमीटर्स कैसा लिख सकते हैं? 12 into 1 किलोमीटर. 12 ones are 12 kilometer. Value not change, so just I separated here. 12 into 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters, right? Sorry. 12 into 1000, 12,000 meters. Okay, now write down in your class books. Okay, I'm keeping camera on. And these two are your homeworks. Try to solve in the classwork itself. Sorry. ये भी लिख लेना, ये भी लिखो, ये भी लिखो. कन्वर्शन प्रॉब्लम हेडिंग डालो यहाँ पे. Write down children in your class books. Okay. Homework do in the classwork itself. Okay, again I am repeating. Just revise. Length of the measurement of the lens. Okay, everything we have to measure, right? Like lens we are measuring in centimeters, meters, kilometers, millimeters, hectometer, decimeter, decameter. these are all we won't use. Commonly we are using, common using units, what are there? Kilometer, meter, centimeters. Okay. Commonly we are using which units? Kilometer, meter, centimeters. Shall we are using decameter? We won't use decameter, hectometer, decimeter. We won't use, right? Where we will use, these are all in the laboratories we will use. Okay, where we are using, these are all things, decimeters, hectometer, decameter we use generally to find other things. Okay, more lengths and many lengths to find. Okay, now here till here you write down.